Good morning. So here are the things gonna material I'm gonna use. So I can make maybe two of this, all of this kind of. So I have here some glue, the yellow one, and this one in the blue cup is white erasure. The yellow top is the glue, and this green one here is also a glue, but it doesn't see it's clear glue. So these are the this one here is the drinking water, and this one are the soda. It's nice if you can pick a green sodas or red, yellow plastic bottle. And this one here is a foil, and as you can see, it's a biscuit foil and a cardboard. And this is the one I'm saying. See, these are the uh, tape, decoration tape, and the red one has a double tape, so you don't need to glue it. And this one also, so you can see it in school supplies. And these are the toilet rolls, so I got a lot of here. I probably use this one also in that red one here. Yeah, that's it's like a banner. So these are my DIY. I'll probably make 2 to 3 of it. That's one that's a cord. It's not included. So this is a card that see, I'm just gonna make out of it, cut it size like this. So I probably make from here. So I'll let you see my finished product soon. Oh, also this one I use a new foil for the Christmas the stars, my previous video, if you can see it. So this is a very nice one because it's easy, so I'm gonna make a lot of it in a foil. And this one is an old foil. So I hope you're gonna watch my next video, because I will see the finished product of it. So you can remember this one. So that will be in this one, the decoration one, and probably the white erasure. I don't know if you can see it, guys. So it's kind of blurred, but that's a white erasure, liquid erasure. Let me see if I can focus it for you. Okay, let me see if I can focus it for you guys. No, it's not of help. The more it's not. Okay, so I don't know how to focus this one here. So it's kind of a erasure. Focus. No, it's not of help. I'm not sure if I can open this one here. Yeah, I'll probably just open this one so you can see it. So okay, see, this is the liquid one. So see, can I let you see? So this is the one. It's not matte over to see, so I'll probably use this one. See, now you can see it's a white erasure one. This is old, so it's not much of a liquid anymore, so I need to shake it. So that will be the one. So I'll make a design out of it, and glitters. Yeah, I forgot to put the glitters on. Hold it. I found it. Sorry about that. I still have running nose. Just little bit. So this is the glitters. Sorry, there's no light. This is the glitters that I'm gonna use. See, that's the glitters. You can buy it in the school supply. So that's the white one. The one like a white ink for erasure. So I'll probably use this glitter. It's gonna be messy. I'll probably use it in the mineral water, so it has some design on it. And I have to put glue first inside, or yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think inside, and then glitter on it also inside. So I don't know if you can hear me because I'm a little bit it's hard for me to bend if I bend my running nose. So that's about it, and you can see my video later on, the finished product. So I'm not sure about this biscuit and how I'm gonna do it, but for sure I'll make it in a star again. So I like stars. I don't know how to make a Christmas tree. I'll probably use this cardboard for your Christmas tree. So just but I don't like mini Christmas tree. For the truth, I like the Bethlehem. So I don't know how I'm gonna make the Bethlehem. So so let's see later on, and you can see the finished product of all of this. So gonna say ciao for now, and don't forget to share this video to your friends so they can have idea out of the trash. Don't throw all the trash. If you can put it in the bucket or in the box, save it. There's still, it's only October, so you can still make it up to the late November or in the middle of December. So so you still have 2 months to save this. Just I said, you can borrow, you can ask somebody, then you're using your toilet paper, the relatives, the neighbor, your friends, if you know them. And then also if they're drinking mineral water, small mineral water, or soda, the colored soda bottle. So I advise you, don't go to the trash, because our trash is mixed with rotten food, so it's contaminated. So it's not that safe. So just better ask people around, so they can give them some plastic or box so they can put it there, so easy for them. And then the only one you gonna buy, for me, I didn't buy it because this was from the old one, from Project. I just keep it, ask them if you're gonna use it. So they're trying to throw it, I save it. So I said, can I have it? So there it is. Also this one, see, this one I saw it in my cabinet yesterday, because I was trying to, I'm trying to save. This was like 2 years ago. They're making from the school Christmas. So you're doing like you're in your younger years. You have project. So enjoy. ciao for now, and hope you subscribe for the one who's just watching my video. And to my subscribers, thank you for still watching my video. And to the newcomers, please subscribe and share it also. Thank you. Ciao.